just everyone, right? You're gonna have a great day at Volcano Bay, but your alarm doesn't go off in time. Well, you only have 2 minutes to grab everything you need. These are the 5 things you need to grab when you go to Volcano Bay. Item number 1 to bring with you to Volcano Bay: a towel. Now they do have towels at Volcano Bay, but if you want, to travel in style and also not to wait in line, bring one with you. But we also could have brought our hotel towels, but the last thing you want is to accidentally leave them around and the hotel gets upset or anything like that. It's just like, there are options. There are towels at Volcano Bay, yes, but bring your own. Also, just be aware, if you choose to purchase a towel in Volcano Bay, like one of these snazzy beach towels that Ben got, it's gonna cost you an arm and a leg. So we recommend buying one ahead of time outside of the parks. It'll save you quite a few dollars. We know what you guys are gonna say. We do the same thing every time we go to Volcano Bay.
Correct, but it's fun every single time.
We have our favorites. We're human. But we want you to have the best time at Volcano Bay possible. So we're bringing you the tips and the smiles, splash, and fun. That you need to pack when you come to Volcano Bay. Kind of a mix of items here, but it boils down to sun protection. We're talking sunscreen. We're talking a rash guard. We're talking a hat to keep the rays off the skin. Now, there are some people that love to go and get a nice bronze tan, and that's fine. That's really fine. What I'm talking about is make sure you don't get fried when you come to the water park. So put the sunscreen on, wear something on top of you, just reapply the lotion, folks. You'll thank yourself later.
Remember that one time that we were here in February and it was the winter and I still got sunburned and had a mean old farmer's tan? I do. She also wore a 5mm full wetsuit one time at Volcano Bay.
I was so comfortable. Now this is not the weather to wear a wetsuit in for sure, but it would keep the sun off.
If you're here during the busy season of Volcano Bay, which is basically right now, get to Krakatoa Aqua Coaster right now. It's like 9 in the morning, just a little after 9, and it's already a 2-hour wait. That's going to be the busiest ride at Volcano Bay by far. So if you're here early, during the busy season, go do Krakatoa as soon as you can.
We went off our normal schedule. It doesn't look like we're gonna have a chance to ride that today.
You can pick up essentials like sunscreen at Volcano Bay, but it's gonna be about $18 a bottle.
Brace yourself.
Our next tip for Volcano Bay is purposely vague, but it's water shoes. Now that can mean Crocs, that can mean flip-flops, and our personal favorites are these little slip-on water shoes that you get from Amazon. Really just something to protect your feet. All the paths around Volcano Bay are concrete, which means, one, they get hot in the summer. Yes, they spritz them down, but they can still get toasty. And two, you're gonna get a lot of steps at Volcano Bay. I know you think you get a break from walking around because you came here to relax from the parks, but tons of steps, tons of actual steps as well. So something that's gonna absorb some of that shock from the concrete is a must when you're here at Volcano Bay and you're trying to take care of your tootsies.
know how we would film any of these videos without this next packing essential. I'm not the expert at this next tip, but I know it is necessary to have a waterproof phone case when you film at Volcano Bay. I am so scared to take this into the water with me, but Ben's not. He's fearless. He brings it with him everywhere, even the Fearless River. So I'm gonna let him tell you why you need a waterproof phone case.
You need a waterproof phone case because capturing memories with the people you're here at Volcano Bay with is essential.
Aww.
Pictures, videos. Volcano Bay is just super photogenic. And you've already spent $1,000, $1,200 on your cell phone. Why not spend the extra $10 or $15 and protect it with a waterproof phone case?
Take your phone everywhere.
These are the brands we get. They work just fine. For 10 bucks, they're pretty nice.
The final item that you need to pack when you come to Volcano Bay is something to store liquids in, whether that be a Coke Freestyle cup or a water bottle, Gatorade Zero bottle. Bring something so you can stay hydrated while you're here. There are Coke Freestyle machines at the park, but also there's water all around and some bars. So if you want to stay hydrated, you can as well. But we like to bring a bottle with us. We didn't bring our Coke Freestyle today because I just didn't want to carry it around with me. But I can bring this with me, and when I'm done with it, recycle it and head on my way. Stay hydrated because it is hot at Volcano Bay. Bring that Freestyle cup or bottle. Those are the top 5 essentials that you need to make sure you grab, even when you're in a rush to get out that hotel room door and get to Volcano Bay. If you got anything out of this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stick around for more Universal content. Bye!